Hello cuties, welcome to our maths lesson. Let us complete lesson 19 of your Common Core Grade 3 Module 2 workbook. Let's see if you can decompose twice to subtract measurements. So maybe you are born to 100 and born to a 10 to be able to subtract, or born to any of the two. Let us see. First, let us subtract mentally. I'll say the number sentences in units of ones. 10 1 minus 5 ones is what? 5 ones, correct. 12 ones minus 5 ones is what? 7 ones, correct. 42 ones minus 5 ones is what? 37 ones is correct. Alright, say this number sentences in units of 10. So 10 tens minus 5 tens is what? 5 tens. 12 tens minus 5 tens is what? 7 tens. 42 tens minus 5 tens is what? 37 tens. Let us use subtraction algorithm to solve this measurement. 80 liters minus 26 liters. Now I've solved this one for you, 54 liters. It is true because 54 liters plus 26 liters will give you 80 liters. Now see if you can use this information to solve the next one. Notice the numbers. We got 54 liters now. 380 liters minus 26 liters will now be what? 354 liters. It's just to put the 300 there. Already we've done 80 liters minus 26 liters and got 54 liters. So just put the 300 in front, 354 liters. Let's see if you can use the same technique to solve this. Remember when we did 80 liters minus 26 liters, we got 54 liters. So 380 liters minus 126 liters is what? The answer is 254 liters. You're correct if you got it. Now let us solve this one. Use the information we'll get now to also solve the next one. 908 grams minus 25 grams. 908 grams minus 25 grams is 883 grams. It is true. If you add 25 grams to 883 grams, you'll get 908 grams back. Now remember we got 883 grams. Now solve this. 908 grams minus 425 grams is what? The answer is, what's the answer? 483 grams. Correct. Remember when we did 908 minus 25? That's it. Good job. Now let us run to the nearest 100. 253 to the nearest 100 will be what? Remember the two endpoints now are 200 and 300. In the middle is 250. 253 is closer to 200 or 300. Which one will you say? 300 is past the half mark. Here's another one. 1253 to the nearest 100. It's simple. The end marks here are 1200 and 1300. Halfway is 1250. 1253 is closer to 1300, so we can round it off to 1300. See if you can handle this. 735. Can you round it off to the nearest 100? The endpoints here are 700 and 800. Halfway is 750. 735 is below the halfway, 750. So we can round this number up to 700. Let's round this one to the nearest hundred. 1735. The end points here are 1700 and 1800. Midway is 1750. 1735 is below the halfway point. So we can round off this number to 1700. Can you round off 850 to the nearest hundred? Simple. 900. What of 1850? That's simple. 1900. What of 952? Now let's see if we can get the two endpoints here. The endpoints here are 900 and 1000. Do you see it? Halfway is 950. 952 is more than the halfway. So we can round it off to 1000. What of 1371 to the nearest hundred? It is 1400. 1450 to the nearest hundred. Now the endpoints here are 1400 and 1500. 1450 is halfway, so we can round it off to 1500. Here's an application problem. Jolene brings an apple and an orange with her to school. The weight of both pieces of fruit together is 417 grams. The apple weighs 223 grams. What is the weight of Jolene's orange? Simple. Remove 223 from 417. My answer, 194 grams. Look at this 7 there. Here's another example. Jolene's apple weighs 223 grams and her orange weighs 194 grams. Jolene's apple weighs 223 grams and her orange weighs 194 grams. Look at the tape diagram. The apple is 223 grams, the orange 194 grams. But do you see a broken addition to the orange to make it the same size as the apple? How can you get a number that is there? It's simple. Subtract 194 from 223. Look at my serving. The answer is 29 grams. Now try this one. 342 centimeters minus 55 centimeters. Look at my 7. I cannot remove 5 from 2, so I have to decompose 110 to make it 12 ones. 12 ones minus 5 ones is 7 ones. Now I cannot remove 5 from 3, 5 tens from 3 tens, so I have to decompose 100 and make it 13 tens. 13 tens minus 5 tens is 8 tens. My 200 now remains 287 centimeters. The same thing with the 764 minus 485 grams. I also have to decompose twice. I cannot remove 5 from 4, so I have to decompose 110 so that I have 14 ones. 14 ones minus 5 ones is 9 ones. And I cannot remove 8 from 5, so I have to decompose 100 so that I have 15 tens minus 8 tens, that is 7 tens. And 6 hundredths minus 4 hundredths is 2 hundredths. My answer, 279 grams. Let us solve this word problem. Karen has 703 milliliters of water in a pitcher. She poured some water out. Now 124 milliliters are left in the pitcher. How much water did Karen pour out? Simple. 703 minus 124. My answer, 577 milliliters. Just look at this one. Let's do another one. 703 centimeters minus 37 centimeters. Alright, I cannot remove 7 from 3, so I have to decompose a 10 to make it 13 ones now. 13 ones minus 7 ones is 6 ones. And I cannot, okay, to decompose that 10, I had to decompose 100 first. From the 10 tens, I removed 1 to make that 13 ones. Now I have 9 tens left. I can remove 3 tens from 9 tens, that's 6 tens. My 600 is there, so I have 666 centimeters. This is the last one. 700 milliliters minus 356 milliliters. I have to decompose 100 to make 10 tens. From the 10 tens, I'll pick 1, make it 10 ones. So I have 9 tens left. 10 ones minus 6 ones is 4 ones. 9 tens minus 5 tens is 4 tens. And 600 minus 300 is 200. 600 minus 300 is 300. The last one, 700 milliliters minus 356 milliliters. I have to decompose 100 to make 10 tens. And from the 10 tens, I'll decompose the 10, remaining 9 tens to make 10 ones. 10 ones minus 6 ones is 4 ones. And 9 tens minus 5 tens is 4 tens. Now 600 minus 300 is 300. My answer, 344 milliliters. Now it's your turn. Please complete your lesson 19 problem set and bring your work to class. Bye.